What's up guys, welcome to the GC journey. In this video we're going to be installing a CAE shifter on this GC right here. Now just to clarify, this is not my GC. This GC belongs to a friend, but we thought that documenting such an installation could bring value to the community. So onto the installation. Okay, we removed the plastic trim of the center console. Now there are 6 Phillips screws that we are going to remove, and then we'll move on to the bottom. Just getting rid of some nice greasy dirt that accumulated over the years. Not necessary to remove the lever, but we're going to do it just to make things a bit easier. And look at all this beauty. Oh, wonderful. And we have our helper here. He's going to be helping us with the installation. Aren't you, buddy? You're going to help us, right? Of course you are. So we're going to be taking the linkage apart. We're going to take this apart, and then here at the back there are these 2 bolts holding the rear bushing. We're going to take those out as well, and then the whole assembly should come out. So we're first going to take the cradle. The gearbox cradle, we're gonna take it apart, so then we'll have easy access to everything that is up here. So first we're gonna disassemble this, and then we'll move on to the top. Okay, so we've cleared a bit of room. Now we have access to all the bolts we need to reach. So now on with the disassembly. So CAE supply this adapter, which if you're doing this installation on a 5-speed, you need this adapter, like we're doing installation on a 5-speed. If you're doing it on a 6-speed, then from what we understand, this adapter is not required. But for 5-speed, this is required. This adapter is required. Okay, so old shift assembly is out. Wasn't too bad of a job. So now we'll move on to installing the CAE shifter. If you're gonna do the swap, you'll have to source a new gear lever boot, because it won't be easy to salvage the used one, unfortunately. This part of the shifter assembly is no longer going to be used, so if you want, you can take it off the gearbox. If not, you can leave it in. It's not going to interfere, and so we're just going to leave it in for now and save time. Looks about right. Looks centered. So that's it. Basically, we're finished down here. All we had to do is attach the adapter to this rod coming out the gearbox. I'm sorry, I don't know the professional terms, professional names for all these parts, but you get the point. So just gonna assemble back the gearbox cradle, and then we'll move on to the inside of the car and finish the install. So CAE also supplied this this billet plug for where the lever used to be, and also a zip tie to hold it in. Very clever. Very clever indeed. And now for the moment of truth. Yeah. Seal the deal. So that's all for the install. As you saw, pretty straightforward install. If you would like to see a feature video about this GC, because it has lots of nice upgrades, so if you would like to see a video where we go a bit more in depth about this car, let me know, and I'll be sure to make a video about this GC. If you'd like to see a video of how this shifter performs when driving the car, let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to make a video about that as well. As you saw, we reused the factory screws for this shifter, because if you want to use the supplied bolts that came with the kit, you need to drill out the existing holes and drill 2 extra holes. If I'm not mistaken. But in any case, the owner didn't want to do that. He preferred to just use the existing screws. Factory screws should be enough for the job. And so that's pretty much all there is to it. Not too many places you can screw up with this install, luckily. Looks like a very high quality product. I'm sure it performs very nice as well. In any case, that's all for this video. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one.